Hi, Andre here. Another product has seen light today. Yes, the software has been released and I'm really excited about it because I think it's something that you may use in your online business and you can benefit from this. But before I show you the demo, I really want you to check out the link and the bonuses I've put together if you grab this product via my link. So once you've done that, let's move on. Check out the demo. It's something that you will really find interesting and useful in your business.
A cryptocurrency, it's up something like 50% since September and it has doubled.
So if you're ready to get unlimited free buyer traffic from the hottest niche on the planet right now, to generate free crypto and free Bitcoin from today's leading cryptocurrency exchanges, and to scale in today's hottest niche with unlimited demand, then click below to lock in your discount immediately, and I will see you on the inside.
So what is the Crypto Beast? Well, this is software released by Glencorski and it's one of a kind. It's all the first to be on the market. And basically what it comes down, it is software that's cloud-based and quite beginner-friendly that you can use to create affiliate websites that will pay you in cryptocurrencies. So you can actually earn cryptocurrency instead of normal fiat money. So the testers, or the beta testers that have done this, have been using this and they've gained, some of them, $250 plus a day. All it basically does is that you will link up to all these crypto exchanges as an affiliate and you will make commissions, and on different sites commissions as well. And all the traffic is built in this as well. So we're just going to give it a test drive, an overview of this system, the Crypto Beast. But before we enter this, I would like you to have a look at the bonuses that I've put together that make the Crypto Beast way more worthwhile grabbing it via my link. And you can just see all the bonuses down below in the description link. If you click on the bonus builder link, it will show you the bonus page with all the bonuses that you can grab if you get it via my link. Those bonuses are already added inside your WarriorPlus account and they will be waiting for you, Andre Newman's bonus. So it's worthwhile taking a look at this, and it's also worthwhile considering using this software because it's a passive way of income with no risk. You don't need any other investment other than buying the system, and then there's no further risk or investment needed, and you can still make some passive income in different cryptocurrencies. So let's just log in and take an overview and a quick peek of the inside of the system. Right, so you can see we've just logged in, and now as we can see on the inside there will be a welcome video with your dashboard, the tutorials, ads, articles, call to actions, affiliates, highlights, site settings, traffic, free traffic, and your different upgrades if you do decide to buy any of the upgrades. So if the normal welcome video will show you how to do it, and there's a full set of tutorials. If we click on that, showing you exactly how to use this, and it's quite easy to use because it's focused on beginners and quite beginner friendly as well. As you can see, first video show you how to set up the Crypto Beast, how to join the different exchanges and sites that they will use, the software will use to make your affiliate sites, and you can see them all. And then how to maximize your crypto as well if you want to invest. Then second video will show you your integrations, how to create extra articles to get a more content feed onto your sites, how to create ads if you want to put additional display ads on your site, and then how to use the upgrades should you buy any of the upgrades. And included in the upgrades are also the bonus builder that you can use to give additional bonuses to entice people to buy from your affiliate link, and also a huge amount of traffic strategies and also the recommended traffic for affiliates. So that's all on the inside. And this is an example of what a site can look like basically. And you can integrate and build a mailing list with that as well. If you click on the site settings, then basically you can give your site a name. You can decide on the theme color, your text color. Then again, your banner titles, your banner settings, your ad settings, and you can decide which of these sites you will use different ads, and they will be all added to your site. And you can integrate to build your mailing lists with all these autoresponders, and you can even give them a tag, like in this case, as you can see, money online tag, and additional autoresponder link. You can choose your site's text color for that as well. Articles, right, you can create new articles and you can manage your article collection. On the inside you can see these are the articles that will be on your sites already, quite a few of them. You'll see the different logos that you can use as well. And when you do the traffic, these are all the inbuilt traffic where you can share on all these massive amounts of sites. So you can get different sites you can build up, and you will have inbuilt traffic. So the first video is basically just how to set up
step one, really important step.
And this will give you all the instructions
for the affiliate programs, getting your affiliate links, making sure everything is set up correctly. So beneath the video that you're watching, there's going to be a number of buttons where you can jump across to these programs and sign up for them, okay, where you can get your affiliate links, okay. It's really important because that is how you're going to get paid. Now, if you are new to any of these programs, you're obviously going to be able to qualify for the sign up bonuses as long as you go through the steps. Now, all of them have various different things. Some of them require,
as you can see, this will cover it fully. It will show you exactly how to set everything up right from the start. I'm not going to go through everything, but this whole setup video will show you exactly what to use, and you can grab more videos and how to sign up and set it all up inside your site. And then basically the program will show you exactly how to join all different programs: Coinbase, BlockFi, Binance, Crypto.com, Parallel Miner, CoinMama, CryptoHopper. Cryptocurrency is in the infant phase. So if you start out now by getting an affiliate site, and you can build up your own audience, and you can build up a good relationship and the huge passive income over a period of time. It's just consistency and persistency. Just carry on doing the same thing, adding more articles, signing up more affiliates, and CryptoBees can deliver quite a good return on investment. You can expedite the system by adding deposits to the different exchanges where you can get additional free money, but it's not necessarily needed at all. It's all a passive way of income. So this is the inside overview of the CryptoBees. But before we get to the CryptoBees review, I want you to click on the link, the bonus builder link. It will take you to my bonus page. It will show you exactly the bonuses I've put together for CryptoBees. By grabbing all these bonuses, you will get all the education and the insight of the cryptocurrency world, and that will make your return on investment so much better because you will definitely know the insight and why you're doing what. So it's worth looking at that. So let's go over now and we'll give a complete overview and review of CryptoBeast. Well, so what is CryptoBeast? Well, CryptoBeast is a done for you, fully optimized crypto affiliate site. It's pre-monetized, done for you crypto sites, and it's ready to go in 60 seconds. It's preloaded with content, affiliate offers, stunning graphics, and design. The powerful technology automates everything for a truly set and forget solution. You can have your very own authority site in this explosive crypto time, even if you have got no experience at all. The crypto piece is also got fully built-in crypto targeted free traffic. So you can forget about paying for ads or wasting your time and your money. Our crypto commission site comes with fully built-in traffic, buyer traffic, that is. Furthermore, the CryptoBeast site comes with fully cutting-edge viral cryptocurrency content. So that will make you an instant authority on cryptocurrencies. And you can effortlessly scale and customize this. Within this site builder, you get a standalone crypto site builder and also top converting commission offers with automatic approval. So it's now time to get in front of the hottest niche in years. Basically, the CryptoBeast will cost $70 on its release, but if you move off the page, a pop-up will come up and you can save a few dollars, so it's worthwhile looking into it. Then O201 is the unlimited version, $67, downsell $37. O202, the 100% done for you, $97, downsell $47. O203, the unlimited traffic, $97, downsell $47. O204, the automation, $67, $37, downsell. O205, the ATM, $197, downsell $47, a huge saving of $150. O206, the ultimate version, $197 to $47, downsell. O207, the licensing rights, $67, downsell $37. And it all comes with a 180-day money-back guarantee if you don't make money from this. So it's basically a guarantee that you will make money from this. But before I skip ahead to the demo, let's just quickly go to the bonus page builder link that you can see down in the link. There are also additional links, all affiliate links, but highly recommended and proven systems that really work. But let's focus now on the CryptoBeast. So if you click on the bonus builder link, it will take you to this page that will show you exactly the bonuses are compiled. As you can see, I'm just going to give a quick rundown. Bitcoin profit secrets, Bitcoin breakthrough, blockchain, Bitcoin profit secrets, affiliate traffic lab, how to earn passive income from cryptocurrencies, cryptocurrency secrets, and then you also get access to 17 WarriorPlus best-selling information products. Each product details a variety of traffic generation methods, additional bonus how to push your commissions up by 200+%. And then to build your online business, you get a fully covered 10 different websites that you can freely access to. All topics are covered. So it's a huge amount of bonuses. The bonuses alone are worth a few $1,000s. And all you need basically to do is to grab CryptoBeast via this link, get instant access now. And once you click on that link, it will take you to the sales page. It looks like this. It will show you in 60 seconds flat, 100% done for your crypto system, makes us $250 plus in free Bitcoin every 24 hours. And then it's a one-time price, but it said if you move off the page, you get a pop-up that you can save a few dollars. They show exactly the beta testers, how they've basically released this beast or the crypto beast and the money they've made. or some testimonials and now the 3 steps you got to do it. And basically that's Glenkoski, the vendor. And we'll show you can create a passive income because this is only the start of this hot, exciting niche at the moment. And it's very trendy. And basically, if you just click on any of the links on this website, then and you decide to buy the crypto bees, all these bonuses will be waiting for you on the inside that I've just shown you. You can see it's quite a long sales page. To integrated list building, targeted traffic, 3 simple steps, create a username and password, enter your payment information, activate your system, and that's it. Now step 3. It's the world's first free crypto and Bitcoin commission app that makes them $250+ every 24 hours, the crypto bees. All you need to do is click on this to get started. And if you do decide to buy the unlimited version or any of the upsells, don't worry, the bonuses are already attached on the inside. Just click on the link down in the description, click the like and the subscribe button. It will improve the algorithms on YouTube, and that way you won't miss out on future bonuses and reviews. Thank you. From Andre Niemand. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you've enjoyed the demo and have seen the benefits of this product. You don't want to miss this, and you don't want to miss this amazing bonus that comes with this product. And all you need to do is to go to the description link below, click on the link and grab it via that link, and you will get all these bonuses. Furthermore, I would like you to like this, share, comment, and also subscribe to my channel. By that way, you won't miss out on any future videos and the amazing bonuses that will come down your way. Thank you.